Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today, we will delve into the details of DTC P0507, which signifies idle control system RPM higher than expected in Honda Accord models manufactured between 2017 and 2023. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, pertains to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and is pivotal for monitoring the engine's idle speed, which should remain stable under various conditions. Understanding the implications of this error code is crucial for accurate diagnosis and successful repairs. The idle control system is responsible for maintaining the engine's RPM at a predefined level when the vehicle is at rest, without any load. When the RPM is higher than the expected range, it may indicate underlying issues within the engine's management system or potential mechanical failures. Through this presentation, we will explore the specifics of the error, investigate the possible causes, and provide a structured troubleshooting guide to effectively address this issue. DTC P0507 indicates a malfunction in the idle control system, which could lead to erratic engine behavior. Key components affected by this code include the PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve, PCV hose, EVAP, evaporative emission control system canister purge valve, throttle body, intake air duct, and the intake manifold. Each of these components plays a crucial role in maintaining the intended RPM. The PCV valve helps regulate engine pressure and prevents excessive vacuum loss. Located typically on the valve cover, it can cause RPM fluctuations if malfunctioning. The throttle body, located between the air intake and the intake manifold, controls airflow to the engine based on driver input and system needs. Any issues in these areas can lead to the engine operating above the designated idle speed, thereby triggering the P0507 DTC. A thorough understanding of these components and their locations will guide effective troubleshooting. Several factors may cause the P0507 DTC to surface. One of the predominant causes is a vacuum leak, which can occur in various components, such as the throttle body, PCV valve, or intake manifold. A vacuum leak alters the air-fuel mixture, leading to increased RPM. Furthermore, a faulty PCV valve may malfunction, causing erratic engine speeds due to improper ventilation. Throttle body issues can also be to blame, as this component regulates the air intake. If it sticks open or closes poorly, it may result in a high idle. Lastly, encountering incorrect load conditions. For instance, when electrical components draw excessive power or the air conditioning system is activated, can also influence idle stability. Thoroughly assessing these potential causes is instrumental in diagnosing the issue accurately. Drivers experiencing DTC P0507 may notice several distinct symptoms that could suggest underlying issues. A primary symptom is consistently higher than normal RPM during idle, which can feel unusual and lead to concerns about engine performance. Additionally, the engine may stall unexpectedly, particularly when coming to a stop, due to irregular idle control. Poor fuel economy may also arise, as the engine uses more fuel to support higher RPMs, driving up costs at the pump. Increased emissions are another serious concern, as higher RPMs can result in incomplete combustion and harmful pollutants being expelled into the atmosphere. Being vigilant about these signs is essential for early diagnosis and prevention of further complications. The first troubleshooting step when dealing with DTC P0507 involves a series of specific actions to verify the problem. Start by turning the vehicle's ignition key to the on mode, ensuring all systems are powered without starting the engine. Using the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, clear any existing DTCs to reset the system and facilitate accurate monitoring. After clearing the DTCs, Start the engine and hold it at 3,000 RPM without a load, which means putting the transmission in park for continuously variable transmission, or neutral for manual transmission. Continue holding this RPM until the radiator fan activates. Then allow the vehicle to idle for a minimum of 20 seconds. This process helps ascertain if the P0507 code reappears and allows for real-time monitoring of the onboard diagnostic status with the HDS. Pay close attention to whether the HDS indicates a failed or passed status, which directs the next steps in troubleshooting. The second troubleshooting step requires turning off the vehicle and inspecting for potential vacuum leaks. This is a critical process because leaks can lead to improper air-fuel mixtures and contribute to abnormal idle conditions. Begin by examining key components such as the PCV valve, PCV hose, evap canister purge valve, throttle body, intake air duct, and the intake manifold. Look for signs of cracking, wear, or disconnection in hoses or valves, as these can indicate a vacuum leak. There may also be components connecting to the turbocharger that should be checked for similar integrity issues. Should any leaks be identified during this inspection, it is necessary to repair or replace the affected parts to restore proper function. If no leaks are found, continue to troubleshoot by testing under different load conditions, which may include activating electrical systems like headlights or the air conditioning unit. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0507, final verification is crucial. Begin by confirming that all repairs were executed properly and that any defective components were adequately replaced. Once this is ensured, rerun the diagnostic check using the HDS to confirm that the previous codes, including P0507, have cleared from the system. This process involves a series of engine runs at varying RPMs to ensure that the idle control system functions as intended. Keep an eye on the onboard diagnostic status, ensuring it indicates passed. If the DTC reappears, revisit previous steps to ensure all contributing factors have been addressed, double-checking for any overlooked vacuum leaks or malfunctioning components. Taking this methodical approach ensures a comprehensive resolution to the idle control system issue. Preventive maintenance is vital to ensure the smooth operation of the vehicle and to prevent issues such as DTC P0507 from surfacing. Conduct regular inspections of critical systems, especially around components that manage air intake and vacuum, such as the PCV valve and hoses. Keeping these components clean and free from degradation will significantly reduce the chances of encountering vacuum leaks. Additionally, routinely monitor your vehicle's RPM levels, especially during idle, to catch any abnormalities early on. If any fluctuations are observed, it may signal potential issues needing immediate attention. Establishing a consistent maintenance schedule can help extend the life of essential engine components, thereby preventing performance-related concerns down the line. To conclude, we have explored DTC P0507, which denotes an idle control system RPM higher than expected. Key symptoms associated with this DTC include higher than normal RPM, engine stalling, poor fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. The troubleshooting process involves verifying the problem through specific steps, identifying potential vacuum leaks, and confirming repairs through system diagnostics. Understanding the roles of components such as the PCV valve and the throttle body is vital in this context. Regular vehicle checks and proactive maintenance are crucial to prevent the reoccurrence of this issue. Comprehensive knowledge of DTC P0507 will not only aid in troubleshooting, but also foster informed decisions concerning vehicle upkeep and care. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.